Little storyteller.
Max the bouncy golden retriever wagged his tail so hard his whole body wiggled. Woof woof, he barked happily, looking at the plain white walls. I know what would make these walls super fun, he thought. Max imagined the walls covered in juicy bones of all sizes and bright yellow tennis balls bouncing everywhere. It would be the best wall ever. Whiskers the calico cat stretched out in a patch of warm sunlight on the floor. She blinked her sleepy green eyes and looked at the boring walls too. She purred softly. What would make this room the most cozy? Whiskers pictured soft, golden sunbeams stretching all over the walls, making the room feel warm and peaceful, perfect for long naps. Lily, a little girl with bright pigtails, giggled as she watched Max chase his tail and Whiskers groom her soft fur. Mommy and Daddy are going to choose new wallpaper soon, she said to her furry friends. What do you think it will be? The next day, Lily's parents showed her and the pets some wallpaper samples. There were stripes, flowers, and even little stars. Max barked excitedly at a sample with paw prints. Whiskers yawned at a busy pattern with lots of colors. Lily saw a wallpaper with a gentle pattern of soft green leaves and tiny yellow flowers. It looked peaceful like Whiskers' sunbeams and had little shapes that reminded her of Max's happy energy. This one, Lily said, pointing. It's pretty and calm, but also fun. Soon the walls were covered in the new wallpaper. The soft green and yellow made the room feel bright and happy. Max wagged his tail, chasing imaginary butterflies among the leaves. Whiskers purred contentedly, napping in a real sunbeam that shone against the gentle pattern. Lily smiled, happy that everyone liked the new walls. Being thoughtful of what others like makes everyone feel good.
Please subscribe. Thank you.